It's Black Friday, and Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill is waiting for you. Here's why it's a must-buy for savvy shoppers. Hey there, are you looking for the perfect grilling companion for your outdoor adventures? Well, look no further than the Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill. This small propane grill is a game changer for camping trips, beach parties, or backyard cookouts. With the Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Grill, you can savor the flavor of delicious barbecue anywhere you go. Its compact, portable design makes it a breeze to transport and set up so you can start grilling in no time. Picture this: juicy burgers, sizzling hot dogs, and perfectly grilled veggies, all thanks to this Best Portable Gas Grill 2025. And guess what? You can now save 33% on the Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Upgrade your grilling game and make every outdoor gathering memorable with this top-notch grill. So what are you waiting for? Get yours today and grill on the go. And here's a fun thought. If Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill had Black Friday powers, it would probably give me a 50% discount on my holiday stress too. Your Black Friday shopping list isn't complete without Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill. Click now to make it yours. Save 33% today on this amazing product.